Sangut Nongïalam ke Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA bakuntub iba Moslander Marngar Presiden uba Tibor Marngar uba Hebor Perian lam uba Trangbor Lengdo kibal syakam maksantrik kunai wiang ajapsan kilapan Jamin nakiyang kasyari kini sangut kila syakam namar kecingca huri-hura kibal mi ekstep senya santrik kunai wiang ajapsan apreng kidikhat ke association bat kibor Pulit Mawryngkneng uba Vivex AM IPS SP ke East Khasils District kila pentip bahasi palai kibor Magister kila pentip lepa ba ben penthut yagi Trok kibakit klinker bat simen na East Jente Hills henry mariapoi Mawryngkneng kila dang kecing Shah Ther mawi kali kibal penlong iki Pulit ban penkam na kabor hagawai perkaliang layo khubor Nongïalam ke MCTODA kin mi lengba ke Jamin na kecing syakam hakharwai trek unai wiang arajar option.
3 cases were registered against them. Subsequently on Thursday there was also an escort of cement and clinker trucks from West Jente Hills, from East Jente Hills via West Jente Hills, and there was a lot of stone pelting and damage to our vehicles, for which a 4th case was registered. So we have a total of 4 cases, and bail has been moved today. That will be in the discretion of the court whether court will grant bail, and we'll take it from there. The crowd out there were actually informed by the magistrate on duty to not obstruct the trucks, the movement of trucks and all that, and they were properly informed, clearly informed not to obstruct. However, after the trucks came also and we escorted them, there was huge pelting of stones, there was assault, there was a person also abducted, and what happened was there was mayhem and violence out there, and for which police had to resort to mild lathi charge. It is not that there was we flouted any norms, and also that we had there was excesses from the police. It was very minimum, and we were very restrained. No, there's no pressure as such for them. There's no pressure to release them. In fact, bail is it's within the hands of the judiciary. Well, they are the leaders. They are the people who are right in front in that agitation. And when all these crimes were committed out there, I mean, they were the people at the forefront.
So law will take its own course. I mean,
yes,
for us,
law will take its own course.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.